I'm going to go through how to treat for termites yourself. Maybe you're wondering if something is termites or just wear and tear from weather like this is, or maybe you're just looking to do preventative maintenance, so here's how to do it. And to start, I'll say this video is not sponsored by DoMyOwn.com. I really wish it was though, considering that I'm going to recommend them, and going to their site is step one. On their site, click Pest Control, then Termites, and that'll bring you here. What you'll need are the termite bait systems. It may not seem terribly cheap at first glance, but if you've gotten quotes from someone to come out and treat your termites, you'll find that this will suddenly seem like a fantastic price. Get a set of bait systems depending on your house size. The 10-pack is probably good unless you have a lot of ground to cover. You'll want to spread these out around your house, so figuring out where they're going to go first before you start digging is a good idea. To install, just dig out the spot, put it in such that the top is ground level and the rest is underground, and fill in with dirt. It's recommended to use gloves when handling these because you want them to have as little human interaction as possible, which I think we can all relate to a little bit. Basically, you just don't want to scare off any termites you may have. You want them to get lured into these things so you can find out whether you have termites or not, and if you do, you can eliminate them. The deal is you're going to wait 3 months so any termites you have can get into these stations. At that point, you go around and check each of them. If there's no activity, great. Check it in another 3 months. That's how often it's recommended to monitor these, 3 months. If there is activity, no big deal. Close it back up and order a poison cartridge from DoMyOwn.com. Again, not sponsored. You'll add that to the traps that have termites and it will kill the nests. To use the traps, use these access tools. Just twist and pull up. Activity should be very obvious. If it looks like this, you don't have activity. So let's check another one. This is also not activity, but just for good measure, I sent a picture to DoMyOwn to confirm. If you're unsure about any of yours, just reach out to them with a picture. And that's it. That's the way cheaper option for keeping your home safe from termites. Hope that helped. Have a good one.